Hello everyone, this is Clay with DigiFactors Animation. I just wanted to take this time to give you another update on the Finger Pistols Choose Your Adventure game, Red Dead's Mine. And like I said, I'm using the 360 expansion pack with this, and so far it's coming out beautifully. And I'm putting everything together, like I said, in Veer. Veer is a online tool that you could use to make these things, and you can make presentations and stuff like that. But I'm using it to make a adventure game, and it's working really good. Okay, as you can see, this is the title screen, and I decided to use Darwood uh, set to make the title scene, and I got the storyteller. He's singing the theme song, and right here, the sign, you click on that, and it'll take you to the credits. And this sign right here will take you to the mine, which actually starts the game. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the preview and let y'all watch as I play through. So, then I'll show you uh, how everything works. Okay. So let me click on the preview and y'all just watch me play through of what I have so far. It's not much, but it's getting further. And I'll click on start.
Marshall has no gun, but the crooks are on the run. This is one cow town where they won't linger.
And I'll click on the credits. It takes me to the credits. And the credits is inside of Marshall Leroy's jailhouse. And there's the exit back to the menu. So I click on that to go back to the menu. And then I click on to the mine to start. What? Are they gone? Whew. Boy, that was close. There for a minute, I thought I was a goner. What? Updated this. Hi there, stranger. Boy, you couldn't have come at a better time, because the marshal needs your help. You see, Red Dead and his gang are at the dirty doings again. Yep, they captured Janet and took her in this here mine. It seems like that Red Dead is still determined to get back at the marshal and make Janet his old lady again. So Marshal Leroy went in to try and save Janet. But this here mine is full of trap-infested tracks, and Red Dead's gang is all over the place. And I'm afraid that Marshal Leroy won't be able to do this alone. But hey, since you're here, you can help him. So what do you say, stranger? Will you go and help Marshal Leroy save Janet? I'm going to click on no because I changed that and modified it. Oh, really? Well then, it seems that the marshal will be in a heap of trouble. Without your help, take you to another Janet's scene. Doomed to become Red Dead's old lady again. And the marshal will be heartbroken. Well, it's your decision. I can't make you. So, yeah. And I can click on that door to try again. So I said no, and that's what happens. So let's click on try again. What? Are they gone? Whew. Boy, that was close. There for a minute, I thought I was a goner. What? Oh, hi there, stranger. Boy, you couldn't have come at a better time, because the marshal needs your help. You see, Red Dead and his gang are at the dirty doings again. Yep, they captured Janet and took her in this here mine. It seems like that Red Dead is still determined to get back at the marshal and make Janet his old lady again. So Marshal Leroy went in to try and save Janet. But this here mine is full of trap-infested tracks, and Red Dead's gang is all over the place. And I'm afraid that Marshal Leroy won't be able to do this alone. But hey, since you're here, you can help him. So what do you say, stranger? Will you go and help Marshal Leroy save Janet? And this time I'm going to say yes. Yahoo!
I knew I'd see a brave cowboy ready to be a hero. The marshal will need all the help that he can get. Oh, just remember to stay clear if the marshal starts shooting,
Well,
because those finger pistols are
I'm just
dangerous.
gonna leave that alone. So I'm riding through the mine. Sort of like a little roller coaster ride, but it's not a thrill. It's not a thrill ride. I didn't make it a thrill ride.
Hey, stranger. Boy, I'm glad you're here to help. Red Dead's got his goons patrolling this whole mine, and it seems that they just struck in gold as well. So that means they'll shoot anyone who enters. So be careful and try to be quiet as possible, and be sure to duck if they start shooting at you. But if you're quiet and they don't see you, then you'll be okay. Go on ahead. I'll take this path and meet up with you later. And remember, Janet's counting on us.
So now I'm actually climbing up the hill. So when I get up to the top, I'll have a warning sign saying there's a lava pit below, danger. So, and then at the end of it, and I'm just going to show you, we have at the end of it we're going to have Quick Draw McGraw. He's on a lookout for any intruders. He's right there. He's looking around. And y'all have a little sign of words coming up and telling you. Of course, I got to make them bigger. It says, "Watch it, stranger. There's Quick Draw. He's on the lookout. Wait till he leaves, or you can take your chances." And I don't have the other option yet, but I'm going to click go and watch what happens.
What? An intruder?
I just got shot.
Well, I'm sorry this happened, stranger. Well, anyway, you tried. Rest in peace.
So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with what I got made so far. I like that. So it's looking good so far. I'm going to eventually have a full-fledged game when I'm done with this. So I'm going to close that. And this is what the editor looks like. So whenever you upload, uh, these are all the scenes that I've made. So when you add a scene, you can just click on it and add your videos. And they all have to be 360 because they won't let you do any other types. It's got to be 360, and it's got to be HD, 4K. I got 4K. That's what I use, 4K. It may not look like it, but that's what I use. So whenever you add your videos in there, you have the hot spots and the sound effects and the cards. Cards is pretty much like you can add text or images, stuff like that. So like whenever you look at it in VR, it'll pop up or whatever. So I haven't learned this one yet, so I just pretty much use images yet, and I'm reading up on the manual and everything. So delete that, and then excuse me, then you have, and this is what's making everything work, because you can add your uh, your images to it. So like what I did, but me here, I just made those and put them over it, and kind of just uh, opacity down to 0 where you can't see it. But and then when you lay them in there, you can add your images or you can upload an image, whatever you want to do. Um, and then once you do that, you got right here a link to, so you can link to any other videos that you got. Okay, yeah, and you can link that. So anyway, I'm going to delete that. We don't need that because I already have one right here and I have one right here. I think I might accidentally deleted it. So anyway, um, on every one of your videos that you have, you click on the edit, and then you can change the title. or end mode. So like whenever the video comes to an end, me I keep it on stop. That way it'll stay there until you make a selection. Or you can have it go to the next, like the one after. But I don't. For each one, I put it on stop, except for the see the death. I have it going to the next video, which is the rest in peace where he's in the grave. Yeah. So that's pretty much well. Whenever you click on it, that'll take you to the ones you want to edit. So that's pretty much how this works. And this is called Veer. Alright. And when you're done editing, you just click done. I mean, it'll be a draft. So you can say you save your draft. So whenever you log back in, it'll be on your uploads and these be your drafts. And you can edit them. Go into edit scene like so. So yeah, so I'm done with that. And like I said, this is called Veer. And what you do is when you go to the website, um, creators program, uh, you can sign up for it. Let's see. Me, I'm already signed up for it, so I'm gonna log out. You can go to creators program. You can become a creator. That's the one you want to click on. So you click on that, uh, answer some questions. They'll ask you if you have a website that you can use for a um, portfolio. And me, I used my YouTube channel. And pretty much they accepted it. They accepted my application and that. And these are the formats that you would be able to, you know, publish to, and you can monetize and make money. So yeah. So whenever you log into your Oculus app or whatever app you got, and you download the Veer app, which is a player, and you'll eventually see all your creations in that. So yeah, this is pretty much. So if you want to do something different with Muvizu, this is the best way to go. I'm serious. And like I said, this is my first time. I'm making my first project with it. Once I'm done, I'm gonna publish it, and then I'm gonna add monetize and stuff like that. So, and you can see different experiences that's been created by other people. So it's pretty much like a community, social network. So, like I said, but you have to be accepted. So if you're interested, give it a try. Put in your application, and good luck. And good luck. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed this video.